Hi students, in this video we will discuss how to create a user defined header file. How to create a user defined header file we'll discuss in this. Now here, in order to create a header file, so very simple steps. First step 1, you just open a new blank file. So here I have already opened a new blank file. So this is step 1. What is step 1? Open a new blank document or new blank file. Let me write here. So step 1, open a new file, new empty file. That is step 1. Step 2, type the required functions. Whatever the functions required, you just type the functions. And step 3 is save the file. Save the file. These are the 3 steps with extension .h. Now let me type the required functions. Here I want to use 2 functions. One is int sum of int a comma b, return a plus b. Now this is function with arguments and return type. If you call a function by passing 2 numbers, it will add these 2 numbers and the result will be returned. I want to add one more small function, maximum of 2 numbers, int x comma int y. Now if x greater than y, return x, else return y. So if x is greater than y, x value will be returned, otherwise y value will be returned. So here in this way, whatever the functions you want, you can define all the functions. Okay, initially as a beginning, so type 1 or 2 functions and test. Once executed, you can add any number of functions. You can create any number of header files. Here I want to save this program with the name. So here, so I am saving in the folder. This is important, where you are saving inside the header file folder. So I want to save with sigma.h, or you can use any name, csc.h or ec.h, civil.h or cybersecurity.h, aml.h or data science.h. Any name you can use. So here I am using the name sigma.h. Okay, I have saved the file. Here sigma.h. This is created the header file. Okay, now so this is, we have created the header file. Creating header file is completed. Now like stdio.h, I want to make use of sigma.h. I want to make use of sigma.h. So again, what to do here? Open a new file. So include the header file. This is, what is the program? Using user defined header file. Using user defined header file. Hash include first stdio.h, our regular header file, or you can include in any order, no problem. Hash include, so what is the header, what is the name we have given? Sigma.h. Hash include sigma.h. Now int main, then declare accept 2 numbers from the user, int x comma y comma result. So accept 2 numbers, printf, enter 2 numbers, scanf, %d, ampersand x comma ampersand y. Now result equal to sum of x comma y. Then display the sum onto the screen. Printf sum equal to %d / n comma result. Then return 1. Save this program. So save with the name test.c, or you can use any name. So compile and run the program. Here we have included sigma.h. So enter 2 numbers, 10 and 20. Display sum equal to 30. 30 is displayed on screen. Now here one extra single quotes you can remove. Similarly, I want to use another file called max. Result equal to maximum among these two numbers I want to check. Max of x comma y, then printf max equal to, that is maximum of those two numbers equal to /n comma res. This will be displayed onto the screen. Here we are able to call like predefined functions sqrt, strlen. We are able to call now. Body is not defined in this file. We are able to call now because of header file sigma.h. Now save your program, compile and run the program. Enter 55, 66. Sum equal to 121. Max is 66. Okay, this is how to create a header file and how to make use of a header file. Now let me try one thing. One is I will try to, here you can see without header file. I will place this statement in comments. Save this program, compile and run the program. It is giving error message, undefined reference to sum and max. If you place this one in comments, that is if you remove this sigma.h, it is giving an error message. And one more point, let us try by placing this one in angular brackets, because generally predefined header files will place in angular brackets. Save, compile and run the program. Again it is giving an error message, because if you include in angular brackets, it will search for the header file only in the include directory of tcma, because all the predefined header files are available in include directory. If you place within the double quotes, first it will search in include directories. If not found, then it will be searched in the current directory. Okay, now save, now compile and run your program. So no issues, it is executing. 55, 66 or 55, 44. 99 max is 55. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.